This is your mission. Your target is the GA America Next Wonderful Body. It is a rank 24 two-legged model of medium size. Our transport units will serve as bait to draw the target to Old Peace City. As soon as you confirm its location, take it out. The Union has authorized the use of support nexts for this operation. We've recruited a selection for you to choose from. Use them as you see fit. That's the briefing. The Interior Union holds you in high regard. We hope you take on this mission.
Alright, we're going with the cheapie. Vero Nork. I like
Commence
missiles.
mission. Eliminate the target next wonderful body.
And let's commence that mission.
This is Vero Nork.
Wonderful body.
Target confirmed. Let's
Isn't
move
it
out.
some old guy? Some old bastard. Now let's go. Don't none of you understand the simplicity and beauty of grenades and nukes, do you?
Finally, they've thrown a next at me.
How the hell's he firing
The
missiles?
Interior Union dragged their feet too much.
Oh, I'm not a next, I'm a nightmare.
Ignore them.
They drag their feet through the sand like you do your ass on the mud,
He's
bud.
all we're after.
Focus fire, yeah, no. No shit. I don't need small fries when I've got big chips. Let's go. Now you like them missiles, don't you? You
What?
keep sending them skyward.
Why is he moving like that?
You idiot.
Who cares? Close in and take him down.
He's
Don't
moving
get
like
distracted.
he's an idiot.
Concentrate on your target.
He doesn't know how to use that thing. I'm going to show him how to get to it. Of course I'm concentrating on... I'm the pinnacle of skill. What do you want from me?
Wait a second.
Yeah, I'm going to put my boot in your ass.
So what am I doing?
Yes, they do. I didn't even bother asking my granddaughter, Mary Greenfield, if she wanted to do this one. I took Mr. Lady up discount caliber in order to get this done.
AP down 40%.
You got lucky you dodged a nuke, bud, and I ate it. But I tell you what, it tastes better than whatever the hell you got going on. Yeah, you like that.
What the?
Back in WW2, we only fired 2 nukes. I've fired several. Oh, you can definitely die here.
Confirmed. Wonderful
Yeah.
body has been destroyed.
How does it feel to look at pure skill and absolute beauty? Wonderful body, my ass.
Is it just me, or was he disabled rather
Yeah,
quickly?
congratulations. You did a thing. Nice